Hi, I'm Eliza Pursuit, Founding Executive Director at Global Glimpse. These students are smiling at you from the Dominican Republic last summer. Lamentably, this summer, we were not able to run programs the way we have for the past 12 years. At Global Glimpse, we work to bridge divides, to bring young people from different backgrounds together through immersive, shared experiences. And we believe that to truly change the world, you have to get to know the world and let the world get to know you. At Global Glimpse, we work to inspire and empower high school students from all backgrounds to build the skills, the connections, the perspective that they need to not just succeed in college and careers, but have a positive impact in their lives and communities. The challenge that we are facing right now in this country is dramatic segregation. It's young people not having the opportunity to see outside of themselves, their communities, their immediate surroundings. And we're facing global challenges that require collaboration from all perspectives and global solutions. So we bring young people together to find those solutions. And unlike the majority of the for-profit travel industry, we serve majority low-income minority students. Over 50% of our students come from low-income backgrounds, and our demographics are literally flipped what the industry average is. We have a long track record of growth and impact. We measure impact through a series of metrics, and one I'm tremendously proud of is the fact that 96% of our students consistently say that they built meaningful relationships with peers from different backgrounds. We've served over 6,000 students to date, hundreds of high school teachers across hundreds of high schools, and our impact internationally has been tremendous as well. Prior to COVID, Global Glimpse was a $6 million business with a very strong earned and contributed diversified revenue structure. And then COVID hit, and it has obliterated our business, but we have stayed strong, and we've made the tough decisions to not just survive, but thrive. Immediately following COVID, we cut our team, we pulled back, we worked to retain students, and then we focused on innovation, and we launched a immersive experiential learning program online, the first of its kind. We saw metrics that were very similar to our in-person programming, and that was inspiring and heartening to us in this challenging and dark time. And so the pathway forward, we don't see virtual programming as just a patch for COVID times. We're envisioning using the experience we have, what we know to be effective in terms of experiential learning, in terms of project-based learning, in terms of connecting young people in spaces that foster vulnerability and authenticity and dreaming and greater vision. And we envision building a program that is combined in-person and virtual, bringing back in person as soon as that is possible, and then investing deeply in cultivating our alumni network. Global Glimpse is really uniquely positioned in the travel space for a number of reasons. One, we don't rely on online advertising. We have a very grassroots teacher, school, alumni-based network, and we have a tremendous ability to mobilize volunteers to create action. Our strengths are in community building, in corporate partnerships, in a sliding scale model that allows us to dramatically expand our impact without relying solely on philanthropy. We have a very strong grassroots marketing footprint, and then we are very much a startup, fast-paced, quick-moving team. Global Glimpse has also done a fantastic job, I'll say so myself, in building corporate partnerships. We know how to work with corporate partners, we know how to manage them, we know how to deliver and over-deliver, and as a result, we've really been able to bring in amazing brands to take our work to the next level. So where are we going? I have my hard days, I will be honest. I've lost more than half of my team, and I've had to make really tough calls. But in this moment, I do feel tremendously hopeful and excited, and I see a huge market opportunity in 2022. Across our sector, from Me to We to EF Tours to World Strides to Rustic Pathways, you're seeing bankruptcy, you're seeing companies laying off 90% of their team, and you're seeing huge brand hits. Though people aren't traveling right now, they do desperately want to travel, and there will be a boom and a response to this. And we have an opportunity in that moment to come forward with a voice around the changing face of travel, reimagining who travels, why they travel, what the impact is, and how they do it. Global Glimpse has been an amazing journey since 2008. We are not strangers to struggle. I know what that looks like. But I believe in this moment, we have an opportunity to look towards a new vision, and I'm excited to integrate our in-person and virtual programs to really dive into R&D around how education is changing and how we can bring our expertise in experiential learning and in equity to the table. And so, though we're looking at a downturn, I see us bouncing back and bouncing back stronger and even more impactfully than we did before. And therefore, I'm really asking for support to get us through this. We have a strong track record. We have a viable business. We have an amazing product. We have incredible partners on the ground and in schools and communities across the United States and across Latin America. And I really need an investment in this moment that bridges me to that 2022 rebuild. And so I hope that this community will consider that ask. I look forward to learning and growing with you. Here's my amazing, diverse board of directors that I've built over the past 10 years. And I will leave you just saying, I hope you can imagine the future that I imagine, where young people from all backgrounds and communities across our country are empowered and equipped to embrace differences, to lead with empathy, and to collaborate and solve our most pressing challenges. You can be a part of that, and I promise you it will be impactful. Thank you so much.